Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, you need to select Receive over here on Samsung and Send on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and when you're ready, select Send here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I'll go with only one photo, just for example. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on Samsung, scroll down, click on Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. Now we have two connection ways. We can connect those smartphones by scanning this QR code. If you wish to do that, click on the scanning icon on Samsung, choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. If you want to, you can always input this key over here instead and tap on the Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!